Hey everyone, Technical Wizard here, and today I bring y'all a very special unboxing video. As y'all know, this year is the 20th anniversary of the iMac G3, my all-time favorite computer. And here we have this one. This is a Sage iMac G3, boxed. I haven't opened it yet, and it is used, but it is in its box. It's not in the best shape in the world, as you can tell by all this right here. Some more shots of it. The tops, Mike duct taped it. I am the third owner of this iMac, and when I checked it out, it's in alright shape. From what I read in the description, it is working, but I almost didn't buy this iMac because of struggles of getting in contact with the owner, because either one of us would show up or whatnot, but it doesn't matter. I got the iMac and it was really cheap. I didn't pay very much for what they go on eBay. And yeah, I've been wanting to make this video for a while, so we'll go ahead and dig in. With the box open first. Here we have this little insert thing with the Pro keyboard and mouse. Little piece of the stand. I have another one off of my other Sage iMac. And if y'all are asking why I bought this one, because my other one's not really working good anymore. I don't have any more parts. Here we have the original Pro mouse, really dirty. The only thing wrong with it is this little piece missing right here. When I did look in this machine, under the RAM cover, it has a custom hard drive. It's been upgraded. Here we have the Pro keyboard, really dirty, but it's in perfect condition. It's not broken or anything. Set this up here. I'm not gonna take anything else out of the box because I really don't feel like it. Here we have the manuals and software installation. Airport card, software and manuals, which this one does have an airport card, which is pretty cool. Vent cover, and I'm not really gonna get them out because I think they're like melted into the box because of never being used. But there is the original telephone cable and firewire cable. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put all of the software and stuff back in it since I am not really planning on using it at the moment. And I did unbox this on my Snapchat story, which I'm not sharing. But I felt like doing it for you guys, but that day I felt like too tired to make a video. So, let's see. Go ahead and move this over here. And there is the iMac. And when I first opened it for the first time, that little box of RAM was in it. Power cord in this little wrap thing. It's really gross. It's all sticky and stuff. So, go ahead and take the wrapping off the iMac and lift it out of its bed. Oof, come on you. And I will move the camera down here for where y'all can see the iMac. Okay, here is the iMac. I'm not really going to show what it has because y'all already know. Yeah. The keyboard and mouse. And the plug. It says just a standard power plug, the original Apple one. But I will turn it over on its back. That's front. You can see where the stand's kind of raggedy. It won't stay up. But I will fix that in the near future. Just put that piece of it right there. Plug in the keyboard and mouse. Hopefully this video is good when I'm finished editing. Just go ahead and plug this in the keyboard. And plug the power into the back of the computer, and into the outlet. Betting the PRAM battery in this unit is dead. Okay, so we are all hooked up. Let's load up. Looks like those speakers aren't the best. Not sure which OS it has. I know this is a custom hard drive, so I'm betting it's OS 10 Tiger, maybe. Okay, we got an Apple logo, so it is OS 10. Who knows, it'll probably have a password. So, I have OS 10 discs with me, if this disk drive does work. And I was right, Mac OS 10 Tiger. Okay, I'm gonna blur that name out. Okay, it does have a password. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in one of my Panther discs and see if I can get this reset. Back. And I've reset the password on the profiles, so let's see if this will work. Okay, so we have a desktop. And let's see, what do we got? 450 megahertz, 384 megabytes of RAM. Let's go ahead and open everything. Let's see. This is a Samsung hard drive, well, 80 gigabytes. And I already told you the memory, so more videos to come on this iMac. So I hope you all enjoyed this. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye, y'all.